Okay guys, it's been a while since my last video, and as I said in last video that I'm going to dismantle a starter. So this is the starter from my V4 trike. It's a standard starter from many types of vehicles in former Soviet Union. So as I said before, I have suspicions that this starter is not operating properly, because as you remember, when I turned the starter key, it was turning like a little bit slow, and I had a feeling that something wrong with starter, because starter usually, if there is strong battery, it should turn engine very fresh, and you just feel it that starter is okay. But I had a feeling that starter was not working properly, because my battery was strong, and so first thing I will check electromotor and retracting relay. So motor I know motor is working. Maybe there are some issues with wiring or contacts or something, I don't know. So first thing, I will connect directly to the battery, and I will check once again motor. But okay, motor is turning, and then I will check relay also. Later on, maybe I will just unbolt it and check what's inside. Maybe there's some dirt, or I don't know. So let's move on. So I made some preparations and made a wiring to my battery by cables. So just now I will do the standard check. Now I will try to check the motor. Okay, let's do it. So as we can see, the motor is running. I think there is no issues with motor. Now we have to check retraction relay, but again, since I saw the engine being turned, that means also that retraction relay should be okay, because otherwise there will be no movement of engine. So, but anyway, I will check the starter as I planned before putting it back, because I don't want to take it down again. Okay, so I connected the cables, and now by using screwdriver I will connect a contacts on a relay. So let's see. let's see the operation. So okay, first, before of course I checked which contacts should be used. So I think if you want to know exactly how to do it, there's a lot of videos on YouTube. So anyway, so let's see. So I don't know, maybe there's nothing to do with this starter, because seems good operation. And there is one more thing to check. This means that if you check the relay, this gear should move into clutch by some force. And the main thing is, if you cannot hold it by, let's say, screwdriver like this, that means that the retraction force is good. So, but in any other ways, I think there is no issue with this, because as we can see, the gear is retracting and motor is operating. And okay, let's see one more time. Yeah. Okay, now I will check this relay force, but I don't know, maybe I will not be able to do it by one hand, because in other hand I have a phone. So okay, now we will check in retraction force of relay. So okay, let's do it. Just relay without turning a motor. As we can see, it's working. So the relay is working. So now by one hand I will try to hold this gear, and by other hand I will connect the power. So, and let's see if the retraction force is good. So let's see. As you can see, I can hold it by hand. I don't know whether it's enough, or I think it's not enough. So the problem is that this starter relay, something wrong with this relay. So okay, let's check one more time without holding it. So it's without holding it, it moves out, but then I hold it back. You see, it just cannot move out. The relay force is not enough. So I don't think that this is the exact problem of not starting the engine, because maybe this force is enough to make it in clutch. This force should be more. I mean, as we just checked, the operation of relay is not on 100% correct, because as I know you should not be able to hold it by hand, this gear. All right, okay, so I think I will unbolt this starter and check what's inside. So I dismantled the starter relay. I did not, and I think I'm not going to look inside of electric motor, because as you saw it's functioning more or less okay. The only issue is with this relay, and what I can see here is, I don't know, maybe you can see or not, it's a little bit like, I don't know, it's corrosion inside, and maybe this is the reason. Very weak force of this relay. Maybe I will clean the inside. And I see this thing also is okay, spring, and this thing here also is a little bit corroded, so I will take it off, maybe do some cleaning, I don't know, maybe with sandpaper or something like that, and then put it back and see what's changed. Is it better or not? Because like now it's, I think maybe this is the problem. I don't think that it will operate properly looking like that. Okay, so I cleaned this, I don't know what it's like, piston, yeah, by using gentle sandpaper and wire brush on grinder. So cleaned a little bit inside also. So I think it should be enough just for checking. So now I will put all back and test it one more time. After the cleaning, so nothing changed, and the force of retracting this gear into clutch is still very weak. So I will demonstrate that I can hold it by hand. So now, as you can see, the gear is retracting normally, but if I just hold by finger, I think the relay is bad itself. It's not as bad as it cannot be used, but I think it's already nearing that stage that it should be replaced. So next, what I'm gonna do, I will put it back like it is, because I don't think that it is affecting and contributing in not able to start the engine, because my my first target is to start it up, I mean trike, but okay, maybe I'll see something else, maybe what's wrong with, because I'm wondering why it is turning so slow. It should turn engine a little bit faster, but okay, maybe I'll check something else with wiring, because as to me this starter, okay, the force of retraction is a little bit weak, but anyway it is moving it into clutch and it's turning the engine, and I don't think that the problem is in motor, so I will put it back like it is. Okay, for now it's all, and see you later.